7 Passive Income Ideas. You can start with little investment. Welcome to Passive Income and Beyond. Today, we're diving into 7 passive income ideas that you can start with little investment. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Choose a niche you love and start promoting through a blog, social media, or YouTube. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a way to earn regular income while growing your portfolio. Research stable companies that pay consistent dividends. 3. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a certain field, creating and selling an online course can generate passive income over time. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to start. 4. Rent out a room or property. If you have extra space, consider renting it out through platforms like Airbnb or OnlyDirectBooking.com. This option can provide regular, low-effort income. 5. Print on demand. Print-on-demand businesses allow you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts and mugs without managing inventory. Websites like Redbubble or Teespring handle fulfillment. 6. Invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical property. REITs pay dividends, making it a solid passive income source. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. P2P lending platforms let you lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. While it carries some risk, it can offer high returns. We hope these ideas help you start generating passive income with little upfront investment. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.